Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about the electromagnetic theory. Electromagnetic theory, already we finished the mathematical methods of physics, CSIR core and advanced syllabus. All the topics, one question I discussed, more than one question also I discussed. Now you able to see here the classical mechanics core and advanced also we discussed and we uploaded in our YouTube channel. That is live classes I took. Due to some internet error, so that live is not coming properly. That's why I decided to take the classes without live. If I recorded this one, I am just directly I have to upload on YouTube, listen and enjoy these classes. Today onwards daily we will upload the electromagnetic theory questions to you. So, please try to understand, because I do not know how to edit the system. So, that is why directly I am uploading. Whether voice is not clear, also you have to try to understand and adjust the things. So, whatever it may be, I am giving the knowledge, you have to utilize this knowledge to develop in your physics knowledge, right. So, once we have to see, this is the electromagnetic theory, also very important topic in the CSIR and GATE, JL, DL, Polytechnic like that exams. If you want to crack that exam, this paper also very important. That paper is electromagnetic theory paper. Electromagnetic theory also two varieties of the systems are there. One is a core syllabus of the CSIR electromagnetic theory, another one is advanced CSIR electromagnetic theory. In the core syllabus of the electromagnetic theory, once you have to take here core syllabus in the electromagnetic theory is the electromagnetic theory. This is very important. More than 45 marks you able to get within this one paper, right. So, the core syllabus is what is the core CSIR syllabus? The core CSIR syllabus is the first topic itself, electrostatics. Electrostatics, which topic it is? The first topic itself, electrostatics. In the electrostatistics, what we are learning? We are learning the Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law we are learning. Electrostatistics, which law we are learning? Coulomb's law we are learning. That is the electrostatic law, that is Coulomb's law. Clear? So, based on the Coulomb's law, I am giving one question. This question was asked in IIT JAM 2005. This question was asked. When this question was asked? This question was asked in IIT JAM for doing the entering into a MSc in various IITs. Each and every year one IIT conduct this exam. IIT JAM in 2005, there was a question. 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 are fixed with a finite distance d between them. What is the question? Once you have to understand, 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 are fixed with a finite distance d between them. It is desired to put a third charge Q3 in between these two charges on the line joining them, so that the charge Q3 is in equilibrium. So, this is what is the condition options they are giving. Possible only if Q3 is positive, possible only if Q3 is negative, possible only irrespective of the sign of the Q3, not possible at all. They are giving that one. How we have to solve this one? We able to see now. You have to see here. First data I am representing the data. Based on the data, I have to solve this problem. So, 2 point charges are there. This is the point charge 1. That point charge is plus Q point charge is there. That is the Q1 point charge. So, now one more point charge is there. That is the Q2 point charge. The charge also plus 2. So, plus Q2 we have to write. Now, we have to take these 2 point charges are separated. So, between them is equal to small d. But now, the third point charge. So, what is that third point charge? Q3 point charge we are keeping. So Q3 point charge is keeping, but this Q3 must be in equilibrium. It must be in equilibrium, right? Equilibrium. It must be in equilibrium. Right, equilibrium. So it must be in equilibrium. You have to take it as a, it must be in equilibrium, right? So this Q3 must be in equilibrium. When it will be equilibrium, so Q3 is positive or equilibrium, Q3 is negative or equilibrium, or both cases are equilibrium, not the answer they are giving. First we have to check. First condition 1 we are checking. First we have to write it is, if Q3 is equal to, what we have to write, if Q3 is positive. If Q3 is positive, you have to consider. If Q3 is positive, what we have to write, you have to adjust here. So again I am drawing the, so Q1 charge is there, separated by a certain distance. It is the Q2 charge is there. Now in between, so a third charge Q3, that charge I have to consider as a plus 3. What is the distance? So distance is equal to small d. So now you able to observe the forces. This is the force you have to observe. These two are positive charges. There is a repulsion is there. If it is a repulsion, that force is away from the charge. Now you have to remember, I am giving the hint to you. If it is a force, repulsive force, you have to take that force direction is away from the charge. Force is away from the charge, away from charge. So away from the charge, force is away from the charge. Whether it may be attraction, the force is equal to towards the charge. The force is towards the charge. These sign conventions you have to remember. Whether it may be attractive force in between them, the force is towards the charge carrier. So whether it may be repulsive force, that force is away from the charge. These are 2 point charges. So the Q3, force on Q3 due to F1, there is a force is that force is F1 in this direction. That force is due to Q2, that force is F2. So therefore F1 and F2 are equal. So that's why Q3 is equilibrium. Therefore Q3 is equilibrium. If it is positive also, it can act as a equilibrium. So positive also it can be act as a equilibrium. Now you have to take, so if it is the second one, you have to write it is, what is the second condition possibility you have to take. If Q3 is negative, you have to consider. If Q3 is negative, once you able to take the Q3 is negative, means how we have to write, this is a point charge plus Q1 separated, this is the point charge plus Q2, the separated by a certain distance, that distance is equal to d. Now the Q3, so that is the minus Q3 we have to represent as a minus Q3 we have to represent. Now you are able to see the directions. So based on that you have to see there is a Q1 and Q2, force on Q3 due to Q1, there is attractive force. So that's why your direction is F1 in this direction. So now you are able to see there is attraction. So that's why towards that force it will going, that F2 is going in this direction. So therefore F1 and F2 equal and opposite, so equal charges. Therefore Q3 is equilibrium. Q3 is equilibrium. Q3 is equilibrium. What we have to conclude that, so whether it may be from case number 1 and case number 2, Q3 if it is positive, Q3 is positive, so also it is equilibrium. Q3 is negative, so also is equilibrium. Both are can, so Q3 can exist that equilibrium condition. Whether it may be positive also it may be equilibrium, and negative also it is may be equilibrium. That's why you have to see the option. Possible only Q3 positive, not correct. Possible only Q3 negative, not correct. So, possible irrespective of this sign, possible irrespective of the sign. Answer C is correct. Which answer is correct? Answer C is correct. Not possible at all. So, this D is not correct. Like this we have to do in our competitive exam. This question came from which law? It is Coulomb's law. This question belongs to which law? It is Coulomb's law. This question belongs to Coulomb's law. This is the first law in electromagnetic theory. So, due to the point charges, there is a force is generated. So, that force we are taking. Now, already daily I am informing to you, we started the CSIR and GATE physics content coaching, DL physics content, JL physics content also available on our app. That our app name is Quantum Online Academy app. Our app symbol will be like this, Quantum Online Academy app symbol. Once you go to the Play Store, and you download that Android mobile phone, you have to download that. So, what is that? Quantum Online Academy. There is a app is there. In that app, you able to load it and then installed it and log in into that. You able to see the courses. So, if you have any doubt, you can contact me. This is my personal number 9908437460. So, that our courses will display like this. CSIR and GATE physics course will display like this. Dr. Nagaraju Pendam, expert in physics, and CSIR and GATE mathematical methods of physics. Individual papers also available. This paper is completed. Now, this paper is completed. If you have to take mathematical methods of physics, now complete portion is available. This is individual paper also you are able to get. Now, the classical mechanics is there. This paper also completed. If you want to take the classical mechanics only, you have to select this one. This paper also completed, classical mechanics also completed. Now, we started the electromagnetic theory. This electromagnetic theory paper is live plus recorded classes are going on. Live plus recorded classes are going on. Live plus recorded classes are going on every day morning 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. In between 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. there is a live class is there. After taking the live class, there is a recorded class is available over purchased my course. And if it is possible, some days evening also 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. I have to take the class evening also, right. These are now the electromagnetic theory is going on live, with live how classroom you are listening with the same feeling, you able to listen the classes clear. Now, you able to see these are the our classes I am taking to you. So, please share and subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. We will upload our YouTube channel today onwards. I will upload in direct upload, whatever the recorded is there, that one I am uploading the directly. Please try to understand and share and inform to your friends also. We started the electromagnetic theory. This is the third paper in our app. So, rest 6 papers are there. 2 years validity is there. If you have to take the CSIR course, 2 years validity I am giving to you. Whole year I want to teach 2025 dedicated to teach the CSIR. This whole year I have to teach only CSIR. Nothing is there for me. Only my goal and to complete the whole portion in recorded mode. That is our ultimate goal. Thank you so much. So, thank you for your support. You have to inform to your friends also who are helpless. So, those people will get the benefited through listening the online mode. Thank you.